Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wished for easier navigation on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing some of the best assistive touch apps that provide quick access to your most used features and settings. These tools are designed to enhance your user experience and accessibility, whether you're looking for convenience or need assistance with navigation. Let's jump right in. Assistive Touch App. The Assistive Touch App is designed to provide users with easy access to functions and settings on their Android devices. The app offers a floating button that can be customized to provide shortcuts to various features like volume control, screen lock, brightness adjustment, and more. Users can drag the floating icon anywhere on the screen for convenient access. This app is especially useful for those with physical disabilities, as it simplifies navigation through touch gestures. Additionally, it includes features like a screenshot tool, quick access to recent apps, and customizable options to tailor the experience to individual needs. Super Assistive Touch. Super Assistive Touch enhances the user experience with its intuitive and customizable floating menu. The app provides quick access to essential functions such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and notifications with just a tap. Users can personalize the floating button's appearance, changing its color, size, and transparency to match their preferences. Super Assistive Touch also offers additional features like a screen recorder, screenshot capture, and a full-fledged app drawer, making it a versatile tool for managing device functionalities. This app is particularly helpful for users who want to streamline their daily tasks and improve accessibility. Assistive Touch. Assistive Touch combines functionality with a modern design, offering a floating that provides instant access to core features on your Android device. Users can customize the dot's appearance, including its size and color, to fit their style. The app supports various shortcuts, such as toggling settings, opening apps, and performing actions like taking screenshots. One of the standout features is the ability to activate different actions with simple gestures, making navigation even more efficient. Action is perfect for users looking for a streamlined and aesthetically pleasing way to enhance their device's functionality. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best assistive touch apps helps you find the perfect solution to simplify your Android experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.